Hello and welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So today I would be talking about the importance of journaling. So I have been constantly talking about how and why journaling is important. I have acquired this habit of writing journal for quite some time now, and thus I know why it's so important to write in your diary or in a journal your daily life, your thoughts, your feelings, and this has a great impact on your mind as well as your body. I have been doing this consistently over the past few months, and I've noticed a lot of change in my mood, in my feelings, in my emotions, and thus I wanted to talk about this. So yeah, let's get into the video. Journaling daily is the most potent and powerful keystone habit that you can acquire. Writing a journal is like pouring your emotions, your thoughts into a diary, and you can actually talk to your diary in the sense that as if it's a person that you're talking to. I treat the diary as my best friend, and I write everything, the feelings that comes to my mind, the decisions that I take, and it has helped me a lot in the sense that it has made me stress free, and it has made me happy and content with my life, because I not only write a diary but I also write what I'm grateful for. I feel nostalgic when I go through my diaries, and I enjoy reading them because it's like a trip down the memory lane, and I feel happy that I have shared so much in the diary, and little small things that have happened in my life which I may have forgotten, I am reminded of that while I read the diaries. These are the emotions that you should be connected to, I feel, and that is the reason journaling is so important. So I would suggest that try to write every day, because consistency is very important, and try to write your deepest thoughts and the feelings that comes to your mind, and keep a pen and a paper handy so that whenever you feel like you can write it down. You don't need to follow a definite structure. You can write whatever and however you like it. You don't have to share that with anybody. I prefer to keep the diary to myself. So I love collecting stationeries, and I love collecting diaries, and there are so many cute notebooks and journals or diaries that are available in the market, online as well as offline. So here are a few of the diaries that I have right now that I wanted to show you. There are three basically which I keep handy whenever I feel like. I just pick up the diary and I write it down. So this is the first one. I love anything with doodles on it, and this is a small size, and this is the large size. Also I have this small notebook, and I love anything colorful, so I love these ones. I got these two from Star Mark, and this one from a local bookstore. And also I look forward to the time when I write my diary. It's my very own personal time that I spend with my diary. Generally I prefer to write diaries in the morning, but sometimes I also write at night, because when the day is almost over, I try to write down the important points and also try to write down how the day went. So that is how I end my day. So I would be talking about few of the benefits of journaling, and these are my personal suggestions. So let's get into it. Number one is journaling helps you to maintain your mental health. Journaling can help you manage your anxiety, your stress, or any hard feelings or deep bad feelings that you have, and you have to deal with that. Journaling can help you reduce that stress, and it has helped me a lot. Journaling helps you to face your fears and helps you to understand the solutions that you may come across lately, and it helps you to improve your mood, and you feel that yes, you can share your thoughts with someone. When you have a problem and you write it down in a diary, what happens is that you understand from where the thought is coming, because you're constantly writing it, right? So when you have identified the root problem, you can easily resolve the problem. And I do that, and it helps me to get through the tough times, and I think that it will also help you in this way. Number 2 is a journal serves as a permanent record of our progress. You know, success can be quickly forgotten, and when you forget your success, you again go back to your previous life, and you feel that in spite of your efforts and hard work, you have not succeeded anything, and you feel, you know, depressed, and you feel low. And that is the point where journaling comes in, because you go through your previous journals and you are reminded of your previous achievements and success, and you feel so much good about yourself, and you feel so confident, and you feel that yes, I have succeeded so much, and I can do it, and I am able to do the things that I'm supposed to do. Number 3 is journaling accelerates your ability to manifest your goals. Use your journal to review your to-do list, as well as you constantly write about your goals and what you want to do in your life in the journal. And as you write and rewrite your goals, and as you read through it, it becomes a part of your subconscious mind, and you get attached to the goal that you have in mind. And what happens is that you work towards that goal, and it becomes a part of yourself, a part of your identity, and it becomes easier for you to work towards that goal, and easier for you to achieve that goal as well. And write down about how you want to achieve your goals, and what are the paths that you want to take, and what are the steps that you want to take in order to achieve that goal. So all of these you can write it down, and this will obviously help you to, you know, succeed in life and achieve that goal that you have in mind. Number 4 is journaling generates congruence and clarity. Now, when you write in a journal or in a diary every morning and night, then what happens, you can get to know the incongruencies in your life, and you know which of the things you want to replace and which of the things you want to add on in your life. And thus it becomes very clear, and it becomes very obvious that you will have a much more stress-free life, and you will have a much more clearer vision about everything. And the last one is journaling increases your gratitude towards life. So when you start writing what you're grateful for, then new chambers in your life appears in front of you, and you feel amazed to see how much you have already in your life, and you understand the importance of the things that you already have, and you appreciate the things that you have, and you're grateful for them. As part of your morning ritual, be sure to include gratitude in your writing. That would help you to see a new perspective in your life, and you will not only see the sheer brilliance of the life that you have, but you will understand and acknowledge the small things that you have, and that is very important. And I have always talked about how much gratefulness is important in our lives. Yeah, this is all about journaling, and I have been immensely benefited from journaling, and that's why I thought that I should share my experience with you. So that's it for today. If you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, please comment below, it would motivate me even more. And stay tuned in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive. Bye.